Welcome to VTechie. In this short video, let's learn 3 basic command line commands everyone should know: mkdir, cd, and cd dot dot. The first command is mkdir, which stands for make directory. It's used to create a new folder. For example, type mkdir my folder and press enter. A brand new folder will appear instantly. Next, we have cd, which means change directory. It lets you enter the folder you just created. For instance, type cd my folder, and now you're inside that directory. Finally, use cd dot dot to go back one step. This exits the current folder and returns you to the previous directory. These 3 simple commands help you move around your computer like a pro. Let's get started with the terminal. In the terminal, you can see here that I already have a folder named Pro1. For now, it's empty. We have 2 ways to create a new folder. One is through the graphical user interface, or GUI, and the other is by using the terminal commands. When you have to create the folder on server through commands, these are very helpful. First, let's create a folder through the GUI. Here, you can see the Create Folder icon. Just click on that. I'm naming the new folder JS1. And that's it. A new folder has been created successfully through the GUI method. Now, go to the terminal and click on New Terminal. Your terminal window will open at the bottom of the screen. Here, type your first command, mkdir, followed by your folder name. Let's say mkdir js2. Now hit enter. You'll notice that a new folder named js2 has been created. So now, we have created js1 through the GUI and js2 through the terminal. Now, let's create a file inside the js1 folder and name it hello.js. Write some simple JavaScript code inside it and then save the file. Next, try to run this file in the terminal using the command. For executing the file, we use the node and file name. Here to execute the file, type the command node hello.js. It shows an error, module not found. This error means that the file you're trying to run does not exist in your current path. You might be thinking, the file is right there. Why is it showing an error? That's because you are not in the correct folder. Right now, you're inside the Pro1 directory, but the hello.js file is inside the JS1 folder. For better understanding, you can view in File Explorer. So, this is where the second command, cd, comes into play. In order to enter into the JS1 folder, type cd js1 in your terminal. And now you've entered the correct folder. Run the same command again, node hello.js. And this time, it works. You can see the output of your code in the terminal. Now, type the third command, cd dot dot. This will move you one step back. From the JS1 folder to the Pro1 folder, that is, as I said earlier, it exits from the current folder or back to the previous folder. By this time, I think you guys understand the use of these commands and have an idea when to use these commands. Let's try it once more to understand it better. I'm creating another folder through the terminal and naming it JS3. Sorry, here I made a mistake that I have given a gap between mk and dir, so that's why is a showing error. Now, let's create one more file inside the js2 folder and name it hii.js. I've written some code inside it. And now I'll try to run it in the terminal. You already know what to do. First, enter into the JS2 folder using the cd JS2 command, and then run your file. One more important thing. If you make any changes to your code, the updates will appear in the terminal only after saving the file. For example, here my output was different before saving. And once I saved the code, the new output appeared correctly. So remember, always save before you run your program. And that's it. You've just learned the 3 most basic and powerful terminal commands: mkdir, cd, and cd. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to VTechie for more quick tech tutorials. If you want me to make a video on any specific topic, comment it down below. I'd love to cover it for you.